Yeah. Today evening I transplanted some seedlings of the cherry tomatoes here. This is how to transplant the seedlings of tomato if you are planting them. If you are trying to plant them on large scale. I think I've transplanted over 40 seedlings here. Yeah, so of course I planted in an area where there's maize, but of course maize does not affect them. And one way of limiting pests in your gardens by intercropping. Yeah, so this is intercropping. I'm mixing the tomatoes here, and also is maize. So yeah, these are the cherry tomatoes I've transplanted today. Of course, after transplanting them, what do you do next? So what you do next is, of course, I transplant the seedlings row by row. You first dig holes. Yeah, you first dig holes, and after digging holes, then you get the seedling from the nursery bed. For example, here, when you get the seedling, after getting the seedling, then you put them in the hole you've dug. So after you cover the seedling with the soil, and of course, transplanting should be done in the evening. Of course, this is because in the evening, the strength of the sun rays is decreasing. So you may find that it is not necessarily affecting the seedling. So after transplanting, you water. So here I've applied water. Yeah, so you transplant in the evening. Then after transplanting, you apply water, 1 cup on each plantation. 1 cup of water is enough. And then after you monitor their progress. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be giving the update about the growth of these seedlings. Yeah, all these seedlings are for cherry tomatoes. Yeah, I also show you how to transplant seedlings of the big tomatoes. I can use Calge. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and also inform your friends about this channel.